Lewis, let's talk about content.
Sure.
In traditional learning, the engagement was created hopefully by an engaging trainer. Now we're in a digital space where we don't have the trainer, it is a technology. And the critical element is to engage the learner, and interaction is now a critical methodology to do that, and we've got technologies. So let's just explain where interaction has come from in the world of learning. Traditionally, many years ago, there were overhead transparencies. That was called authoring of learning processes through overhead transparencies. A new learning tool became PowerPoint. And that was a big one, wasn't it? We used electronic means to engage. Now we're moving on to authoring tools, which help to engage the learner. And can you explain, what some of the technologies can do?
Yeah, so there were a lot of authoring tools that we came across. I think there were a couple that stuck up in my mind. One was what we call interactive video. And you know how video, is still one of the most engaging medium right now on YouTube, for example. But one of the problems of video, if you look at it, it can be very passive. You're just watching it. It's a one-way interaction. Now, some of these authoring tools are able to actually give two-way kind of interaction. So you don't just watch a video, but you watch a video and then maybe a question pops up for you to answer, right? Or you could even have a question about that video and then you actually write a question at that particular point in the video, and someone else then at the back end then answers your question or comments on that. So that can be quite powerful.
It's a bit like Facebook Live. You can do that during Facebook Live.
Yeah, they're calling it social learning via video right now. So that's pretty cool. The second thing that I think that we came across was quizzes that were branching, or they had branching scenarios. I do remember when you were young, you had these choose your own adventure books. You would turn to the page once you made a choice, right? Same thing with quizzes. Instead of just answering a straight off multiple choice question as a multiple choice, they would give you a scenario. Based on this scenario, what would we choose? And based on the choice, it would lead you to a different scenario, so that they kind of test your judgment in different areas in terms of that content. So that was quite powerful as well.
Yeah, so the key message for learning is we're moving from one way, which has become, and it is boring, to how do you engage and interact with the learner so the learner wants to continue with learning.